Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Acne scars, blemishes on the skin. Today I have a wonderful remedy for you. This is a two-step system that you can use to clear your skin from acne scars. Now, if you have all of that spots and blemishes on your skin and you're looking for a natural homemade remedy, this video is for you. Let's get in the kitchen and let's mix this two-step system up to get rid of your acne. Our first ingredient is rice, and you can use rice of your choice. Rice is known to help to clear the skin. Rice is a great exfoliator. It's going to get rid of all the dead skin cells. It's going to take off all those acne scars, and it's just going to leave your skin bright and radiant. Rice is loaded with antioxidant that is known to help to get rid of any form of spots and blemishes from the skin. Our next ingredient is aspirin. Aspirin contains salicylic acid, an ingredient which helps combat acne. Aspirin also has anti-inflammatory properties, which is perfect for reducing your acne problems. It is great for getting rid of the pimples, the scars, and also the redness from the skin. Our next ingredient is salt, and salt has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Acne scars, pimples, blackhead, you name it. Salt has the healing properties that will help to get rid of all these inflammation on the skin. So using salt in this recipe is a wonderful addition for getting rid of the acne scars and for clearing the skin in no time. Now our final ingredient is olive oil, and olive oil is great for acne. Now olive oil have antioxidant properties which is going to help to smooth the skin. It have moisturizing properties that is great for your acne scars. For this recipe you're also going to need a blender for blending. Now the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to prepare the aspirin. So I'm using just 2 aspirin, and these are 325 milligrams. And I'm just going to take a teaspoon of water and I'm going to pour it on the aspirin so that it could melt. And I'm going to set this aside while I prepare the rice. Now for our rice, I'm going to blend about a 1/4 cup of rice. And like I said before, any rice will do. Now you can also choose to double up on the rice. So we're just gonna blend. And here is our blended rice. And this is exactly how you want it. You do not want it to be too fine, but you need it not to be too coarse either. Now we're gonna put this to the side. So now we're gonna put this all together. So I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of our blended rice, and like I said, you could double up on the ingredient to make more. I'm using a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and this is sea salt, which is best. Next we're gonna mix our 2 ingredients, which is our salt and our rice. We're just gonna blend this together. Just blend well. Now once this is done, we're gonna reach for our aspirin, and as you can see, it is melted. So we're just gonna pour the 2 aspirin. Make sure to scrape everything out, and our rice and salt. Yes, just get everything out, and you just want to blend it in a bit. Just mix well. It's gonna look like a little cornmeal, but that's good. Just blend. Next, we're going to use 1 tablespoon of our olive oil. And we're going to pour this in. And we're going to mix. Now, you do not want this to be all oily and all of that. 1 tablespoon is enough. The treatment that you're making here should be a little dry. just like I'm showing you here. Now once you put the olive oil in, you're going to really and truly blend, because you want to make sure that the aspirin and the salt is fully distributed in the rice. So just blend, and once you're done, it should look somewhat like this. And this is our scrub for getting rid of your acne and your acne scars. Now after using our scrub, we're going to be making a leave-on treatment, and the first ingredient for the leave-on treatment is aloe vera gel. I'm using the store-bought aloe vera gel because it's much easier to leave on the skin overnight. Now aloe vera gel is great for the skin overall. It is loaded with nutrients and vitamins that are great for the skin. It is also loaded with antioxidants. It helps the skin repair itself while lessening irritation. The polysaccharide found in aloe vera have property that promote skin growth and repair and are known to enhance cell growth and speed up scar healing and even fighting and getting rid of your acne scars. Our next ingredient is tea tree oil, and I'm going to mix this tea tree oil with the aloe vera gel since tea tree oil is a little drying on the acne skin. Now tea tree oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties that are known to help to dry up those acne. Now when mixed with the aloe vera, it's going to dry the acne up and it's going to help to clear your acne scars in no time. Now for the leave-on acne treatment remover, I'm going to be using a small jar, just a little jar with a tight cover, and I'm just going to make it right into this. So I'm just going to pour 1 teaspoon of our aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon, and for our tea tree oil, I'm just going to add about 5 drops, and that's good. And then I'm going to use a clean stirrer, and I'm just going to blend this together. Now our leave-on treatment is ready for your acne scars. So for this, you're going to use it right after your scrub, and you're going to wear this on your skin to bed, okay? Now here we have our 2 steps. We have the scrub and we have our leave-on treatment. Now for our scrub, you want to use this at least 3 to 4 times per week to get rid of your acne scars. Now the first thing you're going to do, you're going to wash your face with some warm water. And why warm water? You're using the warm water because it's going to open those pores, and once the pores is open, it's going to be easier for the scrub to get rid of all the dirt that forms the bacteria in your skin. So you're going to reach for your acne scrub, and this is very, very gentle. This is rice totally blend. It's almost like a powder. The granules are extremely fine, which is great for acne skin. So you're going to take a little on your skin, make sure your skin is damp, and you're going to exfoliate the skin in circular motion. And the reason for circular motion is that we're pulling out all of those dirt and all of those grease from the acne scars. Okay, now rice is really a wonderful ingredient for clearing the skin. Now this combination is going to have your skin looking clear and free of scars and acne in no time. So once you finish exfoliating your skin, and just look at my hands, just using it on my hands, then you're going to rinse off again, and this time you are going to rinse with some cold water. Cold water because you are closing up back the pores. So I'm going to rinse this off, and then I'm going to show you how to use the leave-on treatment. So now that your skin is totally clean, your pores is clean and closed, you're going to pat dry your skin. Always pat dry and make sure you're using clean cloth on your skin. Next, you're going to reach for your leave-on treatment, which is your aloe vera and tea tree oil. And you're going to take just a little bit. Do not contaminate it. Do not dip in. Just pour it out. And you're going to use this to massage your skin, okay? Just massage the aloe and the tea tree oil deep into your skin. So you want to do this for about 3 minutes on your entire face. Now, why are we massaging? We are massaging for circulation. Massaging the skin will help to improve the circulation in the skin. And with circulation comes building your collagen. And with collagen production, it's going to also help to get rid of those acne and those scars. So now that you've finished with your second treatment, guess what? You are not going to rinse this off. You're going to leave this on your skin overnight. Now, this you're going to use every day. 2 times per day, you're going to apply the aloe vera gel and the tea tree oil. And for your scrub, you want to use this at least 3 to 4 times per week. Now, with continuous use of this remedy, in no time, you're going to notice that your acne dries up, if there was acne there, and your scars will fade. Over time, you will totally forget that you have acne. But in order for this to be effective, you really and truly need to be dedicated to using this 2-step system for getting rid of acne, acne scars, spots, and blemishes. Okay? So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video and leave your comments. And if this was your first time watching, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.